Good afternoon, students. Welcome to all of you. Today we will discuss about the education. As you all know, the importance of education, and when we invest in education, then it gives returns in whole future. So, education is the part of quality of population. The quality of population depends upon the literacy rate, health of a person indicated by life expectancy and skill formation acquired by people of the country. Quality of the population ultimately decides the growth rate of the country. Literate and healthy population are an asset. As we all know, the people who are illiterate, healthy, then that type of persons populations are included in the category of assets. So education, Sakal's education in the initial year of his life bore him the fruits in the later years in terms of good job and salary. We saw education was an important input for the growth of Sakal. It opened new horizon for him, provided new aspirations, developed values of life, and not only for Sakal education contributes towards growth of society also, it enhances the national income, cultural richness, and increases the efficiency of governance. There is a provision made for providing universal access, retention, and quality in elementary education with a special emphasis on girls. There is also an establishment of space, setting of schools like Navodaya Vidyalaya in each district. Vocational streams have been developed to equip large number of high schools. Vocational education, that means in the vocational education manual works training is given to the students by the teachers. Students with occupations related to knowledge and skills, the plan outlay on education has increased from 151 crore in the first plan to rupees 3766.90 crore in 11th plan. Now we are in 30th 5-year plan. It works. The expenditure on education as a percentage of GDP rose from 0.64% in 1951-52 to 3.0% in 2015 and 16, and has remained stagnant around 3% from past few years. The budgetary estimated as stated in budget documents of Union State of Government and Reserve Bank of India. As you all know, we will discuss about the import education. और इन एजुकेशन हमारी लाइफ में बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है. अगर एजुकेशन में एक बार इन्वेस्ट किया है तो होल लाइफ हमारे पास रिटर्न है. Weaker families of the society who has no money to send their child in the school, then the government gives the facility to them. Even government also provide the allowances to the students who are ready to go to school for the education. The target is that the upliftment of the weaker section of the society. और बजट के अंदर हमारी गवर्नमेंट के द्वारा खूब पैसा जो है प्रोवाइड करवाया जाता है. बट एक्सपेंडिचर ऑन एजुकेशन एज अ परसेंटेज ऑफ GDP हैज़ डिक्लाइन टू 2.7% इन 2017-18. ये अलग अलग डिफरेंट डाटा गिवन है. नंबर ऑफ कॉलेजेस, नंबर ऑफ यूनिवर्सिटीज़, नंबर ऑफ स्कूल्स. The literacy rates have increased from 18% in 1951 to 74% in 2010 and 11. Literacy is not only a right, it also needed if our citizens are to perform their duties and enjoy their rights properly. लिटरेसी का मतलब ये नहीं है कि हमें एक अधिकार मिल गया कि वी कैन डू एनी थिंग इन द कंट्री, नो. It means we have to perform our duties in a good manner and enjoy their rights properly. However, a vast difference is noticed across different sections of the population. Literacy